everyone, we're going to find the cube roots of 3 square root of 3 plus 3i by using this formula for the nth roots of a complex number. And we're also going to use a calculator for this one. So the first thing I want to do is write this in polar form. And what you want to write is z cubed equals 3 square root of 3 plus 3i. So let's look and see what our polar form would be. For r, we're going to do the square root of 3 square root of 3 squared plus 3 squared. So this is going to give you 6. So r is 6. And our angle, so our angle is tan, or inverse tan of 1, or I'll just write it, 3 divided by 3 square root of 3. The 3's cancel. So our angle is inverse tan of 1 divided by square root of 3, or square root of 3 over 3. So our angle is going to be 30 degrees. So given that, I'm going to erase this, it's too messy. All right. What we have is, in polar form, 6 cis of 30 degrees. So now we have it in this form where I can use this formula. We're going to do this, fill this out. And so this is going to be, r is 6. So we have 6 to the 1/3 cis of, and our n equals 3. Because we're doing cube. So this is 30 degrees divided by 3 plus k times 360 degrees divided by 3. Now this simplifies to 6, or we can just do cube root of 6 cis of 10 degrees plus k times 120 degrees. And this is for k equals, since n is 3, n minus 1 is 2. So we start with 0, 1, and 2. Now the rest, basically, you just use a calculator. So for our first one, C1, we're using k equals 0. So that's going to be cube root of 6 cis of 10 degrees. So for cosine, make sure you use your calculator on this. You'll get 1.7895. And for sine, you should get 0.3155i. Now for k equals 1, we get our second root. And that's going to be cube root of 6 cis of 130 degrees. Using your calculator, you should get, for cosine, negative 1.1680. And for sine, you should get 1.3920i. And finally, the last one, for k equals 2, we're going to get cube root of 6 cis of 250 degrees. And for cosine, you should get negative 0.6215. And for sine, you'll get 1.7075i. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.